Let me give you a quick room tour so you can see this is their desk right here. So we each got our individual ones, and if you got 3 people, they won't have that. You probably just alternate, I guess. I don't know how that works, but I only got 2 roommates, but we do got 3 beds. You can see we got, this is where our personal items and other stuff be in there. It'll be locked. Same on my roommates as well too. This is the beds right here. And then if you have the bottom bunks or however y'all arrange it, typically the one that don't have the desk, your personal items and clothes will be in this closet. You'll each have your own individual closet space. So this is my side, this is his. Trust me, you'll have enough space to put all your stuff in there, so don't stress about that. I have a lot of stuff. And if you want a top bunk, your stuff will be in here. Or typically the one that doesn't have a desk, but normally that's probably the person at the top bunk. This is the top bunk right here. No one lives there. And then the bottom bunk. And let me show y'all the bathroom real quick. So this is the toilet, so the towel, toilet paper, the sink. And then we got the showers here. I like the showers. The water is really great. The reason why I emphasize that the water in basic training is normally real cold or super hot. This is a really good regulator. And if you're going to OCS in the future, comment below when you're going and are you excited, or any questions. I'll help you guys out through the process. So hit the subscribe button and I'm out. Go.